Okay, I think we are good to go. Hi, everybody. My name is Kate Swarthout, for those of you who don't know me, and Tracy had asked me to do a quick kind of introduction or training video on Instagram for those of you who are not using it yet. So I wanted to go ahead and set that up for everyone. And the first thing I'm going to do is actually share my phone screen. Instagram does not work very well on a computer. It's view only on a computer. You can't post or anything like that from your computer. You really need to have the app on your phone. So in order to be able to really show you how Instagram works, I'm going to go ahead and show you that on my phone. So if you guys give me just a minute to set that up. And then I'm also going to be covering the camera on the laptop since I'll just be looking down at my phone. And I don't want that to be distracting to everyone watching. So give me just a second to get that set up. Okay, it looks like we're good to go. I'm gonna go ahead and cover this up. I'll be back again later. Okay, so first thing we are going to do, if you have not already, go ahead and download the Instagram app from iTunes, or if you don't have an iPhone, I don't really know who it's through. Oh, okay. Let's just pretend that didn't happen. Okay, so download the Instagram app, and then we're going to go ahead and go in. And if you don't already have an account, go ahead and set up an account, register for an account. So first thing when you open your Instagram account, the first thing you see is your feed, and that's the stuff that everyone has posted. This is where it will show up. But before we get into that, let's go ahead and look at the account features in your profile. So I just clicked on the little person on the bottom right-hand side of the screen, and this brings up my profile. At the top, you'll see my username, and that username can be anything you want it to be. You can actually change it also as much as you want to change it. So like my daughter changes hers every 6 months or so, and that's fine. You can change it if you want to. And then you can see down below is your bio. Mine says, Mom Boss, working on my health goals while helping others achieve theirs, loving my hubby and kids, finding joy. And then I have my Plexus account there. This is the only place in Instagram where you can link to another website. You cannot do a link in your posts like you can on Instagram. This is the only place. So I have chosen to have my active link be for my YouTube channel. I'm gearing my Instagram to be a little bit more business oriented. So that's why I put that YouTube link there. That's my where I have all of my Plexus videos. But you can do any type of link. Your bio can say anything you want it to say. Some people don't have anything for their bio. That's totally fine. So here you can see where everything you post will be, all of the pictures. Now with Instagram, you have to post a photo. It's not like Facebook where when you do a status update, you can just, use words. Instagram is photo based, and so you have to post a photo, and it only allows one photo. You can't do multiple photos unless you're using it as a collage. And it also, Instagram does allow videos, but they are a max of 60 seconds in length, which is nice because they used to only be, I think, like 15 or 20 seconds. So having the 60 seconds is really nice now. So only one picture, and yes, you can do video, but only 60 seconds in length. And the only place you can have a link is in your bio, okay? Okay, so here again, you can see where you've posted everything. If you go click on Edit Profile, that's where you can change your username, your bio, a link that you want to use, and then your private information, which is the email that you use to register the account for. You can edit your profile picture as well, add anything that you want to. So I'm going to leave mine the same, so I'm just going to click Done. Some of the other things you can see here are up at the top. You can see how many posts I've done, how many followers I have, and how many people I'm following. And we will talk about that a little bit more in depth here in a minute. But this is just kind of an overview of that. If you click the top right, the little cog wheel there, you can find more people to follow here, any of your Facebook friends, people that are in your contacts already in your phone. You can edit your password. You can see what posts you've liked. and let's see, so I'll just click on that real quick. So these are the posts that I have liked. A lot of my friends have posted things and other pages I'm following. It shows you all of the posts that you've liked. Hit the back button and scroll down a little bit so you can see where it says private account. This is the same as Facebook if you post something public or for friends only. So this is the same. If you want your account to be private so that the only people who can see what you're posting are people that you have approved to follow your account, then go ahead and have it blue, and that shows that it's private. I have my privacy off. My account is public, and I do that because, like I said, I'm gearing my Instagram account more towards business, and I want people to be able to see my business posts, so I have my account as public. Okay, then you can also do linked accounts, which I suggest. I have my Facebook account linked to Instagram. You can also link a Twitter account, and I think there's a couple of more accounts you can link. And it just makes it really easy so that if you're posting something, if you're posting on Instagram, with one click of a button, you can have it simultaneously post on Facebook as well, which is really easy. And then you can configure all of your other things here as well. If you do the save original photos down at the bottom, basically that is just allowing you to save the photos you do that you post on Instagram to your phone as well. Okay, so let's go back out of options and back to this page. So if you look at the bottom here, you can see the little home, the little house, that's your home button. Again, that just is going to take you back to your feed. The magnifying glass allows you to search. You can search by user. You can search by a hashtag if you wanted to. There are lots of different ways you can search. And it's also, you can see here, it's showing me things that Instagram thinks based on the people I follow and what I post. These are other users or videos that Instagram thinks that I would like. You'll notice a lot of gymnastics. That's for my daughter. The Highland cows. I am just a sucker for a Highland cow. I just think they're adorable. So you will see some of those Highland cows. I mean, really, look at that face, right? Who can resist that face? Okay. These are just things that are suggested for me, other posts and other people for me to follow that Instagram thinks, again, that I would be interested in, based on the people I currently follow, other posts that I like, things like that. Okay. Again, down at the bottom, you can see the little camera button, and that is where you actually get to post something, which we'll do here in just a minute, but I'm going to cancel out of that so I can show you the rest. So this heart button down here, you can see mine has a little dot underneath it, and that is just showing you that this is your notifications. So this shows you people who have liked or commented on things that you have posted, okay? And it shows you how long ago they did it as well. So you can just scroll down and you can see, oh, okay, these people, this person commented in German, so I'm going to have to use Google Translate for that. It will also show you who has started following you. So for example, Cash Endeavor started following me 10 hours ago. I have the option of clicking the little blue plus button to start following that person back, or I can click on there, just where his name, and see what his page is all about. He also has his public, which is how I'm able to view everything and look at all of his posts if I want to. And if I think that this is something I'm interested in, I can click the follow button to follow this person back. I'm not going to do that right now. If there's ever somebody if you have your page public and somebody starts following you that you don't want to follow you, you don't like this person, or it's inappropriate or whatever. So what you can do there, it's super easy. You can just we'll go back to Cash Endeavor. You can just click on the top, the three little dots in the very top, and where it says block user, you just click that, and that makes it so this person cannot follow you anymore, okay? It's really easy. Okay, and then down at the bottom again, we're back to our profile. So let's post something. So I'm going to go to the camera, and we'll just do, even though I've already posted this, we'll just do this picture. And so once I select, you can see I can scroll down here to access my whole library on my phone. I can also take a picture directly from Instagram, just click photo, or I can take a video as well. So I'm going to go back to library. So you'll see here on my picture in the bottom right, there's a little collage button. You can click that and that'll take you to a linked app to make a collage. The little infinity symbol is for Boomerang, which is a cute, like a photo/video app that Instagram has. So you can click that too if you want to use Boomerang. So I'm going to use this photo. I'm going to click next. And then here you'll see a lot of the different filters that you can use. You can also click the edit button and you can edit your photo using any of these edit tools. And Instagram actually has a lot of variations with their editing, which is nice for those of us who really like photography. You can do a lot with your pictures. You can also edit your filters too. If you go to click on filter, and let's just click on lo-fi. And then if you click on it again, see how you can change the saturation or the strength of that filter, which I like. Okay, so let's just do this one in, let's do Willow, make it look old. Okay, so once I get my picture how I want it, I just click next. Click on write a caption, and here I can write whatever I want to. Go vote. And here's where you can also do hashtags if you would like to. So hashtag vote, and it'll show you how many people have used this hashtag. So over 2 million people have used the hashtag vote. So we're gonna do that. Let's do hashtag, what else should we do? Election day. Okay, we'll do election day 2016. Okay. So when I am done with my caption, I'm going to click OK. I can tag people if I want to. Both my daughter Bella and my son Riley have Instagram accounts. So if I tag them, basically what it does is it will just show up under their notifications that I tagged them. So I'm going to tag Bella. I click on her, put her, and then tag on Riley. And if he didn't come up right here in this feed, I could just type their name in and it would come out. There we go. When I'm done, I'm going to click done. Location, if I wanted to add a location, our polling place was actually our church, which made it easy. So I click on location. If I didn't see what I wanted, I could just type it in, but I see my church, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now here's where I was telling you how you can add linked accounts. So these are my linked accounts. I have Facebook linked. So I can just click on that, and when I do that and hit the share button, it will share simultaneously to Instagram and Facebook at the same time. I'm actually not going to do that because I've already posted this on Facebook and on Instagram. So when I'm done, I click share, and there it is in my feed. Now I have actually already posted this, like I said, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this. So if you want to delete a post, you just click on those 3 little dots up at the top, and you click delete. You can also edit it. So say you spelled something wrong in your caption, you could just click on edit, and you can go back into your caption and retype it and spell it correctly, okay? Okay, so we had talked about ways that you can actually see more people to follow and find more people to follow. So if you go back to that magnifying glass, say you want to type in maybe a location. You want to see people in your town. So once I type, I click on the magnifying glass, and then I'm going to click on places. And let's go ahead and type in Paso Robles. Oops, it would be helpful if I spelled Robles correctly. There we go. And there it comes up. So I'm just going to click on it. And here I can see everyone who has posted something on Instagram and tagged the location of Paso Robles. So I can look and see maybe different businesses, if there are any clubs or communities. Looks like everyone's doing the vote thing today, which is awesome. A lot of wineries, some hairstylists. You'll find a lot of times photographers will use the posting in a location as a way to up their business. Okay, so I just clicked on this wine barrels. This is TH Estate Wines. So I could choose here again to follow them if I wanted to. I could like their post by double clicking on it. I could comment on their post if I wanted to. And again, these are just more people who have posted and tagged the town of Paso Robles in it. So I'm going to hit the back button a few times, get back to our search. Okay, so back in the search, just tap in the search button and you can see here that I can search for people, tags, which is hashtags, the kind of the top that I normally search for. I like to search for my friends and make sure that I'm seeing what they're posting, people that I care about. So hashtags, let's search for a hashtag. Let's search, how about we do plexus, oops. So I'm gonna do hashtag plexus. Hit the search. And this is going to bring up, as you can see, 373,000 people have used that hashtag. So I'm gonna click on it. And this is going to show us all of the posts for people who have used that hashtag in their post or in the comment of their post. That's quite a few. Super cute shirt. I'm going to follow them because I actually really like that shirt. Okay, so again, here you can follow people. This is a great way to find people to follow that you think you may have something in common with. You can also search by somebody's name if you're looking specifically for a name of someone. So let's see, Tracy, oh, I'm still on tag, so I'm gonna go back to people, sorry. Tracy, there's Tracy. So say I was looking for my friend Tracy Graham, there she is. I could click on her and I'm already following her, but she hasn't posted yet. Hopefully we will change that today, Tracy. Okay, so there is definitely, I'm gonna go ahead and do this now so I can talk to you guys. So there is a different way you can use Instagram if you're really looking to use it to grow your business. And a lot of social media people are saying now that Instagram is the top way that businesses are growing, that people are growing their businesses. It's not through Facebook, it's actually through Instagram. So I'm going to do a separate training on that just because I feel like it deserves its own training. There are a lot of ins and outs with using hashtags and things like that. So I will go ahead and do a separate training on really specifically, intentionally using your Instagram account to grow your business. So if you have any questions about Instagram, please let me know. I would be more than happy to help you in any way that I can. I love Instagram. It's really fun for me. It's something that a lot of younger people use as well. So a lot of us parents who have teenagers, our kids are on Instagram and not on Facebook. So it's another way for me to be able to post things and tag my kiddos and also to keep an eye on them. Anyway, thank you, Tracy, for asking me to do this. Again, if anyone has questions, please let me know. I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.